Fairfax Contractor. You don't even know it yet, but we will be your contractor. What we're looking at today is an old, dilapidated Flagstone, Pennsylvania, square cut Flagstone patio that has been aged. The joints are broken. All of the flagstones cracked up. It looks like a hot mess. Do you really want that in your backyard? We brought our master masons in, power washed and replaced and redid all the joints. Look at the progress we made here. It looks like a brand new patio. It's everything that you could dream about, something you could be proud for. And I would tell you what, give us a call and we can take your old patio and turn it into something magic. Sorry about the video here, but my helicopter's coming in to pick me up. Here on a lovely spring afternoon, and we've just finished up a beautiful patio that had been down for about 20 years. It was very, very discolored, and we came in, our team came in and completely rejuvenated the patio itself. How did the team work as a team in doing the work? Did it meet your expectations?
The team was wonderful to work with. They were here every day on time. They were hard workers. They were respectful. They cleaned up after themselves. The outcome was as absolutely good as I could have expected. I mean, this deck looks like it's almost new. You can't imagine how it was falling apart. The amount of tiles or stones that had to be reset, the grout that had to be redone, and it just looks fantastic.
So you'd give us full 5-star?
Full 5-star.
All right, because this patio was a mess, and we got our team over here. We cleaned it up, power washed it, redid all the joints. As you see, these before and after pictures really tell the story here. But here's a homeowner that appears to be very happy, and he gives a 5-star recommendation to Fairfax Contractor. I certainly thank you for taking the time to give me this short interview.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Folks, give me a call. I'll take care of you. I'm your contractor. This is Glenn.